So are you looking to start a food truck? Just beginning, then this series will be for you. Hello, welcome to Marketing Food Online YouTube Premier Food Entrepreneur Channel, the channel for all things food business. With over 800 free videos, make sure to subscribe and like. Let's get started. What licenses are needed to start a food truck? Along with food truck insurance, you'll need the appropriate food truck permits and licenses for your city and state to sell food legally. Licenses go by different names, so make sure to check with your county business office or state business office to ensure you've covered all of your bases. The most commonly required food truck permits and licenses, regardless of where you live. 1. Start with a business license. Also called a vendor license or business operation license, a business license allows you to operate a business in your desired city and state. Acquiring the license means that the government recognizes your operation as a legitimate business and can track your business for tax purposes. A food truck business license can on average cost anywhere from $50 to $500, but application prices and terms will vary depending on your city. Be sure you know when your license is due for annual renewal and how to renew it. Some cities will limit the number of mobile food vendor licenses they distribute, sometimes putting new vendors in what's known as a lottery. Try to apply as soon as you complete your food truck business plan. To find out how to apply for a business license, visit your county clerk's website, or check the U.S. Small Business Administration, also known as SBA, website. Next up, you will need 2. Employer Identification Number. EIN. Employer Identification Numbers are more commonly referred to as an EIN, or Social Security Number, is a federal tax ID number that will allow you to register your business with the IRS for purposes of taxation and an ID with the government. You can then open a business bank account, which is highly recommend. You may then create a credit profile for credit cards for your new food truck, and start to hire employees. Your state may provide this number along with your business license. Your food truck employer identification number is free through the IRS and can be applied for via their website, fax, or mail. The processing time can be around 2 to 5 weeks, so apply with plenty of time before you open. 3. Driver's license. For food trucks to be driven, you will need a license. You'll be required to have your license from your state driver's license and registration for your truck, like operating any other vehicle. In most states, your standard driver's license will suffice. Not every state is the same, so you may need a truck license. States will check the weight and length of your vehicle to know if you will need a commercial driver's license. Driver's license can run anywhere from $30 to $200 depending on the state you live and operate from and license type. To apply for a driver's license, reach out to your local Department of Motor Vehicles (DMV) for their requirements and application process.
Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online, and if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the cottage food law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out these videos for more resources. Take care.